So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to begin by knocking out these pneumatic staples, I guess is what they are. And I'm going to replace these with fin trim number 8 screw heads. So you can get these at Lowe's, Home Depot, places like that. They screw in. You can screw them in below the wood line and then cover with caulk or wood putty and then paint. And I've been happy with the trim work that we've done with this so far. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to install 4 of the hex head finishing screws into the trim piece to make it easier when we get into the rig. I've got 100 of these in the box that I purchased, and within that box they also include a hex head that you can use in your power driver to be able to install these. And let's get to it. So inside the rig, I measured the trim piece. The trim piece was 27 by 13 inches. This cutout here is 26 by 12 inches, so ½ inch on each side. And we'll be ready to put this in. I will throw a level on it. Probably get one side tacked in and then level it up and get the other side and then finish it out.